Hello everyone, and for today I'm gonna show you how to apply custom theme HUD Red and custom icon pack HUD machine Red. I have made a video for top 10 cursor for Windows 10 and most of you asked me what theme I use or can I make another video for this theme, and yes, I can make the video for this theme. The theme is HUD Red. This is the custom theme for Windows 10 versions 1903 up to the version 2004. So let's start right now. Here's the download link for this theme. You need to go on virtualcustoms.net and you need to make an account, and then you should see these download links. You can download many colors or you can just download complete theme pack, but I have downloaded the HUD Red. Also, the download link will be in description below for the theme and for everything else, including this HUD Machine Red iPack. So download the theme and download the HUD Machine Red iPack from Virtual Customs. And before you apply this theme or before you make any changes on Windows 10, go to Start menu and type restore. Create a restore point. So select your local disk C system, click create, give it a name and just click create, and that's it. I have already made a restore point. Also, to see what version of Windows do you have, in start menu type about and select about your PC, then scroll down and you should see that my version is version 1903, but this custom theme is working from this version and up to the version 2004, but you need to know that HUD Machine Red iPack is only for version 1903. So let's start. First I'm gonna install these icons. Okay, click accept, go next, and like I said, this icon pack is ipack.exe and this is only for version 1903, but if you have version 1909 or if you have version 2004, then select this and uncheck every box and then check only this box. This is only for versions for 1906, 1909 and version 2004. If you have a version 1903 like me, you can select patch all files. So I have version 1903 and I will patch all files. I will go next, and now it's asked me, do you want to create a restore point? I will click no. If you click yes, the icon pack will just stop working and you need to restart your computer, but here you just press no. Okay, now I'm waiting for the icon pack to be done, so I will be back when the patching is done. Okay, the patching is done and like you see it says installed. I will click finish. If you don't like the icon pack, you don't need to install it. So I'm only installing this because I like it and because it goes with this custom theme. Okay, now let's go to the theme, extract the files from the WinRAR, copy this, and then go to this PC, local disk C, Windows, resources, themes, and then just paste it. Okay, after that go to personalize, themes, and select HUD Red. Here we go. You have three background wallpapers. but I don't like them. So I found the wallpapers on the internet. You can find every download link in the description below of this video. And like you see, here's the theme with this great icon pack. Now I will go to the start menu properties because I have started back plus plus, and from here I will select or choose the custom start menu and taskbar. I will click apply and I will click OK. That's it. It's really cool and really aggressive custom theme for Windows 10. Now the last step is to set up the background wallpaper. I like these black because it really goes with this theme. Okay, now here I have some wallpapers that I have edited. So this is the original wallpaper and this is my edit, so I will set this to background to show you how it's gonna look like. You can see that this custom theme has everything. It has custom logo, custom side images in the panel, it has everything, and it is really one of the best custom themes for Windows. Okay, and we have this one. So this is the original wallpaper and this is the wallpaper that I have edited. I will set this to desktop background. I don't know, if you don't like cars you can find something else to fit with this theme, but I like it, this theme with the cars, especially with this wallpaper. Okay, and now maybe the last step, what we can do, we can apply the full glass effect on Windows. So for this I have the system transparency that I'm using, and you can already see the full glass effect, but in the system transparency setup and info we can set up the level of the transparency. I will set the number 210 and then I will affect the start menu, taskbar and Explorer windows. Click OK and I have the really amazing glass effect, and you can see that the Explorer has a grid instead of the classic image, and for me this is the one of the best custom themes that I have ever seen. Okay, that's it, we have done everything. So I will repeat one more time. The custom theme is from version 1903 up to the 2000 version, 2004, and this HUD machine red iPack is for especially for 1903 version, but it can be also used for version 1909 and the version 2004, but if you only patch the imageres.dll. But if you don't like them, you don't need to install the icons. Okay, that's it. Hope you're gonna like it, and see you next time. Bye.